I was doing some chores before I decided, oh yeah, maybe I'll film another mukbang video for you guys. But yeah, before I start eating, don't forget to like, you know, subscribe, hit that notification button so you're notified when I post more videos. And I do post videos weekly, if you guys notice. Every Wednesday's videos come out. So yeah, so today I'm gonna be eating shrimp Alfredo. Yeah, shrimp Alfredo. I have some salad with corn. Well, it's really just like salad with corn, and then I have some bread. This is kind of like leftovers kind of ish. So let's start. It was one of those spur of the moments kind of mukbang where I'll be like, oh, I want to film this. What do I have? Yeah, so right now it's lunchtime, so I'm sorry, I had to turn on the fan above me because it's so hot right now. It's like noon here where I live, and yeah, so it's hot. So the way I make my Alfredo sauce is I boil the pasta first. After I boil pasta, I bought shrimp, onions, garlic. So I mix that, you know, the butter and the garlic goes together with the butter, garlic, and onion. Just to saute the onion down some. And then I get the Alfredo sauce. Me personally, you can use whatever Alfredo sauce you guys want. That's just me. And I like my onions still a little bit crunchy. That's just me. Some people don't like onions, but I do. I'm not a big child. I was raised to eat whatever. So like when my dad would cook dinner for me and my sisters and my brothers, we have to eat whatever he cooks or you can go to bed. And I love corn, so usually my spread's a little bit more nicer, but because this is a last minute decision, it's not as put together. It wasn't really a planned mukbang. But yeah, but hopefully you guys are enjoying my videos. Comment below of any videos you guys want to see. So yeah. I will have some travel videos soon, so tell me guys what you guys think of my my Poshmark video. If you guys want to see more of those, yeah, I do read the comments, so if you're wondering what the sound is, it's the fan above me because it's so hot. So yeah, so after I finish it, I have to go back to cleaning. I have a lot of things to clean today. lot of clothes to wash because in my house, it's either me or my other sisters that wash clothes. Sometimes we don't do it once a week, maybe twice a week, like give or take. So try to wash as much as possible because it's only us washing. So good, like. I was gonna film earlier, but we had other people over this morning, so I couldn't really film. But now that it's only me at the house, it's good. For now, because everybody went to work and stuff, so. And if you guys are wondering, I still work a 9-to-5 job, so. Well, my hours are not really 9 to 5. It's more like 5 in the morning to like 1 or 2, so. That gives me time still to do other things, so. Which is good, so. I should have grabbed the fork, but I decided to use a spoon for everything. So, my new favorite TV shows is, I think Shameless. I don't like how they ended Shameless, but you know, hopefully bring back more seasons of Shameless, because I finished all the seasons. What else? I'm rewatching Shameless, and then I'm watching Teen Wolves. I haven't seen Sabrina yet, like part 3. So I have to go watch that soon. And Stranger Things are making another one, should be coming out soon, so I'm so excited for that. Oh, snap. And then I've been watching that Korean TV show. I don't think it's a TV show. Yeah, well, Mr. Housekeep, something like that. That one is funny. Might have to use my hands soon because. Should have grabbed the fork, but whatever. This is so good. And then the latest thing I just watched this morning was about the mafia, wives of mafia or something like that. Like they're married into the mafia. That is crazy. Like, it's a dangerous life. And when I mean dangerous, I mean dangerous. Like, and then Swamp People. That's another show that I've been watching. On the History Channel. So, I don't know if you guys are wondering, I'm wearing my Deadpool shirt. I got this from Hot Topics, I believe, when the movie first came out. Either Hot Topics or Halloween Store, one of those. I can't get over how good this is. Like, this is so delicious. If you're wondering why I'm scratching, every time I get kind of a little bit sweaty, I like get itchy. It's weird, but yeah. At least this time you guys can kind of see my food, my bowls. Sorry if you keep looking at the screen, I got a text. Yeah, so if I'm not saying anything, it's because I'm reading the text. But anyway, my salad. My sister just texted me. She's like, "Don't know the bread." So I gotta save the rest of the bread for her. But yeah, so I ate all my pasta. I ate all my salads almost done. My sister to show you guys. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.